Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the app image is complete and in the folder you will work from. Use the terminal to list files and verify size so you avoid a truncated download. File reports help. Once done, make sure basic utilities exist. chmod to change permissions, file to inspect type, and which to find commands. You will now switch into the folder with cd or open the file manager, because the next step needs the exact file name and path. You will now make the app image executable so Linux can run it directly. Run chmod plus x, /name, app image while in the directory. This sets the user execute bit. If the command fails, use sudo or change ownership with sudo chown yoruser, your group name. App image, this resolves permission restrictions from other accounts. Once done, verify with LSL to see the X flag and use file name. App image to check it is a port. You can now run the app image by double-clicking it in your file manager or executing. /name, app image in the terminal. If you want desktop integration, use the app image's Appimage integrate option when provided. This registers icons and menu entries. If it won't start, check 3 things. Confirm the executable bit remains set, inspect missing library errors in the terminal to install dependencies, and verify it's a valid app image with file. If stuck, run it in terminal to capture error output and diagnose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.